Whipples. I have lots of fun.
Hi, I'm Bernie, and I have bunches of fun.
And today, we're going to be making a random video. And I'm going to give the camera to my man, Jay-Z. I don't.
Oh God, Nick. Oh my God, he's having a muscle spasm. Oh my God, he's having a muscle spasm. He's having a muscle spasm. Oh God.
I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm okay. I know you were worrying about you, and only 3 animals got hurt in this video. But we have some more news from Jay-Z. If I'm not Sally Whipples, I will tell you another story. Okay,